Nobody's ever happy. Nobody's happy for someone's failure. I never ever said that because in Chogede, because Narinchirabanga Chija, I was gonna be happy. The fact that I talked about it was I wanted her not to even go into it. That was the intention. I didn't want her to go into it because I didn't want this to happen. So nobody's ever happy. Nobody's happy. So akubira happy kubanga oli alemereddwa. Omwana abaddeki. Nzalibwa muntu. Naye yeah, by the way my concert is coming up. Ntunuddemu ne mpimamu ne ngamba kantereze Nsobi ezaakoleddwa. Very soon tugenda kuba tucommunicatinga. Ogenda after binogenda ko wayize. Oyiga no picking anogamba naye omanyi kantereze Nsobi ze nalaba kuoli nsobola nza atozikola the right way. And we make it happen. Uncle, Terera, Nkuba. I think most times it's cute to take time. Solo commenting on I think it's when you want to do something, be extremely ready. Yeah, I think Martha could do it, but she was not ready. Asobola chikola neti yabadde ready. Team teyabadde ready. Kuga dance ola ya data wera bulungi kati. Martha is a very good artist. Nzo yomwana mwagala ayimba kayimba kasangu nkagala ninda bulala. The contribution to your music career. Music you nakatalo zena ye no ba signing demo I think it was signed. Yes, we did we? I don't know. I don't remember that part. I don't want you to be asking me about the contract because that is my part to agree with. Yeah, it is exactly. So it's change. I think the basic No. I think focus bajiteke ku what we are going to deliver. Oshegeera to about the communication they need that now it has crossed munetaga kubira ono labono. The next part they need to do is to wait for the music and what else I am supposed to bring out to them. So sibatwala mu kitanda jensula. Engoye baziguze dda empamvu baziguze ndi eri ntemalumu kulumu kwegamba tujja terera tujja kwatagana tutsale magana. Ntema we bazao tujja kwatagana. Sawa zino ngononya Kapa cut ali under Kama Ivan management, that is the untouchable omuli baddest Arafati ononya Arafa ononya Kama yeah echondo zanchi clarify nze nnyo bani nga tuku onumiriddwako by the way nkusiimye bambi onumiriddwako naye tofaayo business ejja kutambula bulungi abantu tebalowooza ekyo profeso. Yeah, I have been doing that. But one thing I needed a contact at least. I needed the code, the contact. Kapa. Manja. Abantu balowooza nti katuli profeto yogere ebibikukirira. Anti ebyo Uganda twaganye okwesiba ku bintu ebibi. Bulijjo n'ebirungi ebigendo tukira mbyogerako nga temubiraba. I talk about everything, anything. Ne mu choosing where you focus. So it's not being a prophet of doom. Ensonga mwenna mwali mugirabira nga mukimanyi mulimu ebituli. Naye nga mutyawo kitegeera so tezifaanagana mukwano naye ate buli omu ali entitled to their perception. So nga bwe nagambye kirungi nnyo labira ku Nsobi n'otereeza. I think with the examples that have just happened around me sisuubira Nsobi ku side yange. Ate naawe nkuddire mu mwana ono abadde kyoli munnamawulire ate obibuuza nze nga gwe wabaddeyo gwe alina okuŋŋamba nti nno obutebe bwadde bwa white. Nsinze nja kwesa obutebe bwa black. Crazy. I have a management. With any information that is going to come from UWQ, UPC, UQZ, what, they can always contact my management. And if they want me involved, Nebogira ni Kama or Nebogira ni Arafat, they'll let me know whether we need to be part or not. Echo nekitegeeza ki? Ntanti Kenzo siye manager wange, Kenzo siye Kama, Kenzo siye Araf. Ate ngamba kugamba nti if I have a management, kitegeeza nti buli kituuke wange kisooka wa management. So if they can contact them and they want me to be part, I'll definitely join. If Kama says or Arafat says, we need this. Bino ebintu si bya kumala gatomera buli kimu ogenda obeeremu. Manyi oba okyetaaga oba tokyetaaga. Sometimes sikuwuuba buteeteeyi. Yeah. Ate nga tobulina. N'obupaali byonna ebibaawo.